Yo, what's up guys, it's me Wolfie back at it again with another video. It's been a minute since I've done a video, a motovlog. Nothing has changed the bike other than I got these levers. It broke, this lever broke, and then this one is fine, but I'll replace it anyways. This one is a TWM lever. So I'm gonna walk you through the stuff that I wanna do to the bike. First thing, I gotta get rid of this hideous thing. Alright, I'll get a full system and in the an arrow headers in the race, and then a MIV cab back, and then I'll get a TST integrated taillight with the carbon fiber heat shield. And what else? I wanna do the moto dynamic headlights. Oh shit! I killed the bug. What else? I wanna do the mirror deletes, crankcase cover, sliders. What else? Oh, the orangey radiator cover or protector, whatever you wanna call it. And I wanna do a fairing replacement. I wanna get a special color which suits this motorcycle. We'll see about that. I want to get the zero gravity Corsa windscreen, and that's about it. I don't know, just give me some suggestions down below, like which things I should get to the motorcycle. Oh, I just changed the ND filter, if you can tell, the camera setup. I got new gear. Alright, I'm gonna do a review on it later on. So now we're gonna go take a ride to uni. Alright. Oh, also I wanna get the bar end mirrors. I forgot what it was called, CRG or something, but they're too expensive, so I'm not sure if I wanna get the real ones. And there's Rhino bar ends which can suit the bar end mirrors and still have the bar ends to protect your clip-ons. I also got the Cardo backtalk edge. It's amazing. But I'm gonna do a full review on it. I'll do a full gear review, like my other gear and this gear. And if you want a full helmet setup, I also will happily help. What else? I still have some tweaks that I want to do to get it to get it where I want to. I have a lot of plans. Just give me any suggestions that you want to see on the bike, or any suggestions that, or any mods that you have done on the bike. Like if you have the same bike. It's an 08 CBR600RR. Oh, I also want to get the sprint filter P08 on it. I've heard about Venturi velocity stacks. I'm not sure how much it will help the power, but I think like they make like 1 to 2 horsepower to the wheel. I'm not really sure. Oh god. We're the boys before we go to the uni. Alright boys, so I just got done with uni, and oh, one thing I forgot to mention is I want to add the quick shifter. I know it's not essential, but I want to add it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the Wolf Racing. That's what I heard. Like it has some good reviews on it. Yeah, it also comes with that quick shifter, so I think I'm gonna add that. I know it's not important for streets riding. It's just something cool to add. yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a short video, but it was just an update for the bike. And I'll probably drop some reviews on the new gear. This is the Dainese, what was it called? Dirt 4, yeah. So yeah, if you enjoyed the, drop like, subscribe, and see you later.